Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to control the card benefits feature in Google Chrome? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable or disable card benefits in Google Chrome on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome. Tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner, then tap Settings. Next, tap Payment Methods. Now tap Card Benefits. This will open the Card Benefits settings page. Here, you see a toggle switch that you can turn on or off. Turn it on to enable card benefits, or turn it off to disable the feature. Choose the option you prefer. And that's how to enable or disable card benefits in Google Chrome on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.